India. Being the largest democracy in the world is known for its thriving and vibrant identity. Founded by a great constitution, it has been nurtured by parliament, judiciary and above all by the people of India. To ensure a fair democratic process, various challenging yet rewarding measures have been implemented in the nation. One such important democratic exercise is delimitation, which is practiced as per the provisions mentioned under Delimitation Act. In the first place, let's understand what exactly is delimitation. Delimitation is the act of redrawing the boundaries of an assembly or Lok Sabha seat. The process involves dividing the total area into smaller units so that the elections could be conducted smoothly and efficiently. The aim is to redraw the boundaries in a manner that there is equal distribution of population throughout the state. The process may also result in altering the number of seats allocated to the states and union territories in the Lok Sabha as well as the Legislative Assembly. The delimitation exercise is carried out by an independent panel known as the Delimitation Commission. Now let's get to know about the composition, duties and the powers of the Delimitation Commission. The members of the commission include a retired Supreme Court judge, Chief Election Commissioner, and the respective state election commissioners. The duty of the Delimitation Commission is to delimit the assembly constituencies in each union territory and to determine, on the basis of the latest census conducted, the number of seats to be reserved for the scheduled caste and for the scheduled tribes. Further, the Commission can determine its own procedure and the performance of its functions, and it also exhibits all the powers of a civil court under the Code of Civil Procedure. It can summon and enforce the attendance of witnesses, ask for the production of any document, and requisition of any public record from any court or office. It is worth noting that according to the provisions laid in the Delimitation Act, in case of a difference of opinion among the members of the Commission, the opinion of the majority prevails, and the acts and orders of the Commission are to be expressed in terms of the views of the majority. The first Delimitation Commission in India was constituted in the year 1952, the second in 1962, followed by the third in 1973 and the fourth in the year 2002. It is also worth mentioning that the third delimitation exercise was based on 1971 census and was completed in the year 1975. Whereas the present delimitation as carried out in the fourth delimitation exercise is based on the 2001 census. It is important to know that the delimitation exercise could also be deferred in a state if the President is satisfied that the situation has arisen whereby the unity and integrity of India is threatened, or there is a serious threat to the peace and public order. The process of delimitation is quite significant as it aims to provide equal representation to equal segments of a population and ensures a fair division of geographical areas, thus strengthening democracy. The nation has been unequivocal about making democracy truly inclusive and following the principle of reaching every single citizen. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.